Hi everyone. So today we'll be starting with a new topic, and that is the three gunas of Vedic astrology. So gunas का मतलब होता है qualities. The world that we live in is not just based on the five elements that we are aware of. Those are air, earth, water, fire, and ether, but also the qualities called gunas. So whether you guys believe in astrology or don't believe in astrology, but we all are dealing with these gunas. So they are first sattva, second rajas, and third tamas. So what are gunas? So gunas are the glue that binds us on this plane, which is also known as the Bhumandala. So these are the three elements which keeps us attracted and connecting with nature. So there is no good or bad guna, they just are. जैसे डे और नाइट होता है उसी तरीके से वन इज नीदर गुड नाइदर बैड, बट दे जस्ट एग्जिस्ट इन दिस एलिमेंट कॉल्ड लाइफ. सो गुनास एग्जिस्ट इन द सेम पाथ एज एस्ट्रोलॉजी. So the entire spiritual realm relies on these gunas to exist and to understand God. These elements exist in nature since astrology is also derived from nature, so they also become a part of this divine science. So think of gunas as the three jackets given to us so that we can reflect our senses to the world. We might reflect who we are by wearing either the black, brown, or the white jacket. So, but each living entity on this planet has to wear a jacket. The ones who don't simply escape the cycle of death and rebirth. Like I'm wearing all these three jackets. Perhaps my rajasic side is more than my sattvic or my tamasic side, or my tamasic side is less than my rajasic and sattvic side. So you can really see that what this person really is in nature. Everybody has all these three elements. Hardly you will find someone with just one element. तो हम सब इन तीन एलिमेंट्स का एक कॉम्बिनेशन होते हैं. इनफैक्ट ऑल द थिंग्स इन नेचर आर अ मिक्स ऑफ दीज थ्री एलिमेंट्स. So let's start with the first guna, that is the sattva guna. So the sattva guna stands for something which is pure, something which is unchangeable, untouchable, and transparent as a glass of water. So this guna can be related to the supreme being Vishnu. This is the pure form of existence. This guna shows us the world as it is. What is the true nature of this world and how we must drink the clear water to understand it. This guna is not God's favorite guna. It just simply shows that God is in its purest form and the most real. So this is like a light bulb. The light bulb which shows exactly what's in the room, regardless of the fact कि room dirty है, filthy है या perfectly clean है. So the reason मैंने कहा कि this is not God's favorite guna is because God has a purpose and He wants us to experience the rajasic side. He wants us to experience the tamasic side. And then God wants us to understand Him by seeing and experiencing the rajas and the tamas. Once we experience the rajas and tamas guna, we will learn why we have to experience these gunas in order to understand the purest thing, that is the divine. So because it is like you don't know what sadness is until sadness comes in. So how would you know that you're happy right now if you're not suffered or experienced sadness in life, right? So this is why these other two gunas exist. So that is why God wants us to experience all this. So the second guna is the Rajas guna. So Rajas guna is the quality of Brahma. Brahma is the creator of our physical universe. So the quality of Rajas works on the same plane. It's all about creation, creativity, and achieving goals. So it is a very goal-oriented guna. This guna brings about the tendency to build things so that these things can be enjoyed by others. So let's give an example. इसको हम एक ट्री के एग्जाम्पल पे लेते हैं. Let's take the example of a tree. एक पेड़ के नजरिए से देख के देखते हैं. So a tree is a sattva existence of God. It is what it is. It cannot be a mountain, river or a lake. पेड़ पेड़ ही रहेगा, right? But अगर वो पेड़ से हमें शेड मिलती हो, छांव मिलती हो, फल मिलते हो for our appetite, and we can climb it to be active and to fulfill our adventure seekingness. So it shows the rajasic side of the tree, right? So Rajas guna is what we really are. In fact, most of the world in today's age and path is on the rajasic side, is on the rajasic path. You know, I want to get that job, I want that promotion. I want that BMW, I want that S class, I want that E class, I want that KFC, I want that Domino's, I want that chocolate cake, I want that chola bhatura on that Sunday. It's like the creation is in front of you. You're the Brahma, you created it, and now you just want to enjoy it, you want to devour on it. Okay, so that's the Rajas quality, the enjoyment quality, the goal oriented quality. So now we come to the third guna, that is the Tamas guna. The Tamas guna is the quality related to Shiva. Shiva is the god of destruction, death, and endings. So now you can see how the Trinity is working: Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva. So the Tamas is not a guna to run away from, because without it, the first two will not be complete. There needs to be ending to start something fresh, right? So we die so that we can be recycled and reborn. So the most noticeable quality of Tamas is laziness, darkness, decomposing, ignorance, and it shows us जिससे हम actually afraid होते हैं. It shows us what we are really afraid of. जैसे हम में से किसी को भी मर्डर अच्छा नहीं लगता, हमें टेररिस्ट अटैक्स पसंद नहीं है, हमें फ्लड्स, डिस्ट्रक्शंस, कोई भी कैटास्ट्रोफिक इवेंट्स जो हों वो हमें पसंद नहीं है, हम नहीं देखना चाहते वो, राइट? इट डजंट मीन कि वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते. जो आज की डेट में अफगानिस्तान में हो रहा है, व्हाट तालिबान इज डूइंग, इट इज समथिंग व्हिच एग्जिस्ट, राइट? सो उसी तरीके से ये सब थमासिक गुनाज होते हैं. सो उसी एग्जाम्पल से अगर मैं एक पेड़ का एग्जाम्पल लूँ, एक ट्री का एग्जाम्पल लूँ, सो अ ट्री इज अ ट्री, दैट्स द सात्विक reality about it, but it also gives fruits, it gives you shade and pleasure, that's the Rajasic side. But if the tree falls on you, it will also kill you, that also instantly, so that's the Tamasic side. Or the tree could have a snake wrapped around it without you knowing, and it bites you. Tamas basically shows us what occurs when we have illusions about things in life, as in ki ek tree hame kabhi harm hi nahi kar sakta, but it can harm us, right? So Tamas is a quality that works on the notion of ending and cutting things out. तो मान लीजिए अगर कोई surgeon है and a surgeon has Tamasic quality in him, so that surgeon will not hesitate in amputating your leg. वो आपकी सीधा टांग काट देगा without the thought of saving and preserving it. So this illusion Tamas brings is not showing the clear glass of water, but to show that the glass of water has dirt in it, insects in it, also a baby snake in it. So you do not fool yourself thinking that God will be there to save you at each moment. In a way, it's not illusion. It's simply a way to show how nature works. Nature can give pleasure, pain, and show you God in all its forms. So the reason why we exist on this Bhumandala, you're going to experience all these qualities. God actually wants us to see that He is not always pure. His divinity exists in all these three qualities because we are here to learn lessons, and lessons cannot be learned without the Tamas and without the Rajas. Because the reason why Rajas exists is because you can enjoy eating that chocolate cake, you can enjoy eating that Domino's, that Big Chill, that KFC, you can enjoy getting that Merc or that Audi. But the reason God gave you this in this particular law of the land is because these are all our temporary pleasures. The real pleasure is to hang out with God, is to be with Him. And that pleasure cannot match anything in the entire universe. So God teaches us this lesson. He tells us, go get tempted. Go have a goal. Become that billionaire. Go seek that beautiful wife, that good looking, beautiful husband. But the real beauty is what I am. So you learn these lessons of Rajas. You want to keep creating things. You want to become famous. And it's not doing anything. Because this is the reason why so many celebrities are depressed in today's time. They become drug addicts because they keep buying things and they keep getting that fame, but they realize that's not something that they signed up for. Okay? So, and then Tamas bhi usi tarike se work karta hai. Tamas qualities are like, yaar, aaj meko kaam pe nahi jana. I don't want to work today. Yeah, I don't want to get out of my bed. Yeah, main for sure kal se gym jaunga, aaj main workout nahi karunga. And Tamas qualities are like you getting angry at your wife, you getting angry at your children, you want to shoot up people, having contradicting views with your ideologies and religion. That's a Tamasic quality. You want to destroy things because you no longer want to deal with it. So these are basically the three gunas जो Vedic astrology में exist करते हैं. Now, okay. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe below, and yeah, see you in the next one.